Ever wondered how your devices communicate with each other? This magical process is known as networking. Networking is the practice of linking devices, or nodes, together to share data and resources. Its importance cannot be overstated. From allowing us to share files and messages to enabling us to work together on projects even when miles apart, networking is the backbone of our connected world. So, when your computer, phone, or printer exchange information, remember, that's networking in action. But why do we need networking, you might ask? Well, the answer is simple and multifaceted. Networking serves several key purposes, all designed to make our digital lives smoother and more efficient. Firstly, communication. Networking allows us to share files and messages seamlessly. It's the backbone of our emails, our cloud storage, even our social media. Secondly, resource sharing. Through networking, different devices can share resources such as printers, storage space, and internet access. Imagine being able to print a document from your phone, or accessing a file from your home computer while you're miles away. Thirdly, efficiency. Networking enables us to access information and services from anywhere at any time. No more being tethered to a specific location or device. Lastly, collaboration. Networking empowers us to work together on projects, even when we're in different locations. It's the magic that makes remote work possible. So networking is not just about connecting devices, it's about making life easier and more efficient. Now let's get to know some networking jargon. First up are nodes. Nodes are any devices connected to the network. This could be your computer at home, your smartphone, or even the printer in your office. They're like the citizens of our networking city, each having their own role and purpose. Next, we have packets. If we think of our network as a postal system, packets are like the letters being sent and received. Packets are chunks of information that are sent over the network. When you send an email, for instance, it gets broken down into these packets, sent through the network, and then reassembled at the other end. Now, for these packets to travel smoothly, we need some rules of the road. That's where protocols come into play. Protocols are the guidelines that dictate how data is sent, received, and interpreted. They ensure that everyone speaks the same language. Some examples you might have heard of include TCP/IP, which helps packets find their way around the internet, Wi-Fi, which connects your device wirelessly to a network, and Bluetooth, which connects devices over short distances. Then we have media. No, not the kind you consume on your devices, but the channels used to send packets. This could be physical, like cables, connecting your computer to the internet, or it could be wireless, like the airwaves your Wi-Fi signal travels through. Lastly, we'll touch on network types. There's LAN, which stands for Local Area Network. This is a network in a small area like a home, office, or school. Then there's WAN, or Wide Area Network, which spans a larger geographical area, like a city or even an entire country. And let's not forget WLAN, or Wireless LAN, which is a LAN where the nodes are connected without any wires. These terms might seem complex, but they are simply pieces of the networking puzzle. So, what have we learned? We've ventured into the world of networking, a realm where devices, known as nodes, chatter away in a language of packets and protocols. These nodes might be your computer, your phone, or even your printer, all connected and communicating to make our digital lives easier and more efficient. Remember how we talked about networking's key purposes? It's all about communication, resource sharing, efficiency, and collaboration. Networking allows us to share files, messages, and work together from anywhere around the globe. It means your printer, storage, and internet access become shared resources, making everyone's life just a bit easier. Then we dived into those key terms, the lingo of networking: nodes, packets, protocols, media, and network types. Nodes are any device connected to the network. Packets, those bite-sized chunks of information we send over the network. Protocols, the rules of the road, ensuring everyone speaks the same language. Media, the cables or airwaves we use to send packets. And those network types, LAN 1, WLAN, defining the scope of our networks. And let's not forget the practicality of it all. Networking isn't some abstract concept, it's a daily reality, playing out whenever you send an email, print a document, or stream a movie. Networking, then, is like a symphony of devices, all working in harmony to make our digital lives possible.